Circular economy represents a transformative shift from traditional linear production models, prioritizing resource efficiency, waste elimination, and ecological regeneration. Unlike the linear model, which relies heavily on finite natural resources and generates massive waste, the circular economy keeps products, components, and materials in circulation for as long as possible. The idea of the circular economy is gaining traction globally, including in India, as governments, businesses, and communities realize the need for sustainable practices. The circular economy supports the achievement of sustainable development goals, particularly in responsible consumption and production, climate action, and sustainable cities. Circular economy meaning: circular economy is an economic system designed to eliminate waste and pollution by keeping products and materials in continuous use through maintenance, reuse, refurbishment, and recycling. Unlike the linear take make waste model, it emphasizes closing material loop, reducing resource extraction, and regenerating natural ecosystems. The circular economy is a key pillar within broader frameworks such as sustainable development and is strongly aligned with SDG goals including responsible consumption, climate action, and sustainable industry. The circular economy addresses climate change and major global issues such as biodiversity loss, waste generation, and pollution by breaking the link between economic growth and the use of limited natural resources. Core principles of circular economy include eliminating waste through smarter design and production, extending product lifespan via repair, remanufacturing, and sharing, regenerating ecosystems by transitioning to renewable energy and restoring biodiversity. This model decouples economic growth from resource depletion, addressing climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution. For example, IKEA's furniture buyback program keeps product in use longer, reducing landfill waste. Circular economy is closely related to the green economy as both aim to achieve sustainability by minimizing waste, conserving resources, and promoting environmentally responsible growth. It also connects with the blue economy, which focuses on the sustainable use of ocean resources and waste reduction in marine ecosystems. Unlike the linear economy, which mainly focuses on gross domestic product and often leads to environment degradation and resource depletion, the circular economy emphasizes sustainability and resilience. In the context of the sectors of Indian economy, the circular model impacts manufacturing, agriculture, and services by promoting sustainable production and consumption across sectors. Moreover, with India increasingly adopting digital economy tools like blockchain technology and artificial intelligence, circular processes such as traceability, e-waste tracking, and smart logistics are becoming more efficient and scalable. Circular economy example. A practical example of a circular economy is the electronics industry's approach to smartphone production. Companies now focus on designing devices for easy disassembly, enabling the recovery of valuable materials like metals and rare earth elements. Used phones are refurbished or recycled to extract components, reducing e-waste and conserving resources. This cloud loop system not only minimizes environmental impact but also lowers production cost and support sustainable consumption patterns. 7 pillars of the circular economy. The 7 pillars of the circular economy guide sustainable practices by emphasizing high value material use, biodiversity protection, cultural preservation, human health, fair resource use, and efficient water management to create a balanced, resilient system. Materials are cycled at continuous high value. Materials are reused at their highest value for as long as possible with minimal mixing, short transport distances, and a focus on reducing use and conserving complexity to suit natural and human cycles. Protection of biodiversity. The circular economy prioritizes protecting biodiversity by avoiding damage to natural habitats, even if it means accepting some resource loss, as preserving ecological diversity strengthens the resilience of the biosphere. Sustainable water use. Water is conserved and reused efficiently with technologies reducing freshwater use, recovering nutrients from wastewater, and protecting ecosystems from pollution and harmful emissions. Preservation of human society and culture. The circular economy values human culture and social unity, using fair governance to meet stakeholder needs while avoiding actions that harm cultural well-being, even if it comes at a high cost. Human health and well-being are prioritized. Human and environmental health are protected. Harmful substances are strictly controlled or eliminated, and unsafe practices like burning e-waste are not considered truly circular. Fair use of limited resources. Human activities should use limited resources to create maximum societal value, financial, emotional, ecological, and aesthetic, rather than focusing only on profits, as all value types matter in their own right. Circular economy benefits. The circular economy offers wide-ranging benefits by reducing waste, conserving resources, cutting emissions, creating jobs, and improving community well-being, making it a sustainable model for long-term environmental, economic, and social growth. Environmental benefits. Conservation of resources. By designing products for longevity and reuse, circular systems can reduce raw material extraction by up to 32% by 2030. Carbon footprint reduction. Adopting circular strategies such as recycling and remanufacturing could cut global greenhouse gas emissions by nearly 39% by 2050. Waste reduction. Shifting from a take, make, dispose model to a circular one drastically cuts waste generation. Circular system prioritize recycling, composting, and remanufacturing, helping divert substantial waste from landfills and oceans. Economic benefits. Operational savings. Businesses implementing circular practices like remanufacturing can lower production cost by 10 to 15%. Employment growth. The International Labour Organization estimates that the global shift to a circular economy could generate 6 to 7 million new jobs globally by 2030. Business model innovation. Circular business models such as leasing and sharing platforms are projected to create $4.5 trillion in additional economic output by 2030. Social benefits. Broader consumer access. Circular markets offer affordable, refurbished, or shared products, making quality goods accessible to a wider population and reducing household spending. Healthier environment. Communities benefit from clear air and water as circular initiatives reduce incineration and landfill-related pollution, lowering health risk. Roadblocks to achieving circular economy. Several challenges hinder the transition to a circular economy, including a lack of awareness, insufficient infrastructure, high upfront cost, regulatory gaps, and resistance to changing traditional businesses and consumer habits. Regulatory. Fragmented and outdated regulation, including customs and international agreements, hinder the standardization needed for circular economy practices. Technological barriers such as limited recycling innovation, poor data traceability, and conflicts between product functionality and circulatory slow progress. Infrastructure. Inadequate infrastructure, including weak rivers, logistic insufficient collection and sorting systems, and scalability issues, restrict effective material recovery. Financial obstacles like higher cost for circular materials, significant upfront investment, and unsuitable accounting methods discourage adoption. Organizational and social challenges ranging from internal resistance, supply chain complexity, and unclear progress metrics to consumer habits, lack of written information, and material contamination impede widespread implementation. Circular economy way forward. The way forward for a circular economy lies in integrating robust policies, advanced technology, and strong industry-government collaboration. This approach fosters sustainable resource use, minimizes waste, and promotes economic growth through innovative recycling and reuse practices. Statutory reforms. Overcoming challenges requires legislative mandates for using recycled materials early in production and creating unified laws that regulate circular economy practices effectively across industries. Circular economy framework. A clear, simplified reporting system for circular economy activities, including EPR certificate, trading, and fiscal incentives, will support businesses in completing sustainable supply chains efficiently. Syncing laws with implementation. Government efforts must align with actionable strategies and industry partnerships to encourage businesses to confidently adopt circular economy models and maximize environmental and economic benefits. R&D investment. The renewable energy sector should prioritize research into innovative recycling technologies, increasing efficiency while minimizing environmental impact, alongside partnership with global firms for domestic recycling development. Technology-driven recycling. Promoting recycling-focused R&D in educational institutions and establishing urban composting centers can engage communities, improve waste management technology, and enhance soil health without chemical fertilizers.